Social Theories, Bandura and Bowlby by Michaela, Corey, Monica, and Niemann. In 1961, Bandura conducted a boo-boo doll experiment to see if social behavior such as anger can be obtained by watching someone and imitating their actions. Children would watch an adult beating up the doll. Then they were allowed to play with that doll. They did exactly as they saw. Bandura was able to see children copy the behaviors modeled. Social theories. Bandura based his doll experiment on the behavioral theory. The four mediational processes came from the doll experiment. 1. Attention. Pay attention to learn. 2. You have to remember. 3. Reproduction. It has to grasp your attention. 4. Motivation. It is the reward and consequence of the action. Social cognitive theory. The principle that behavior, environment, and thought operate together. Attachment theory by Bowlby is a strong attachment for support, security, and care between a child and caregiver. Teachers use social stories to help cope with the attachment. Methods to promote social learning. Learning is a social process based on observing and modeling. Teachers form a connection with students by teaching social context, promote student collaboration through group work, and provide resources such as social books and movies and pictures. How teachers can influence expression. Maintain awareness of each child's needs to create learning opportunities. Students can seek help when in need. Build student awareness of acceptable behavior when engaged. Remember that early social-emotional scenarios set the foundation for learning. Examples of theories in the classroom. Teachers use social stories to assist young children with disabilities to learn social skills. Teaching with technology such as smartboards and switchboards. Using nonverbal communication through gestures, body movement, and eye contact. Modeling behaviors through role-playing and visuals. Methods for teaching social skills. Promote turn-taking, which influences active communication. Read books and play games to help children learn to detect emotions. Set time aside to reflect on weekend activities such as journals and shoulder buddies. Encourage students to use empathy when a peer is upset. In conclusion, children imitate behaviors modeled by adults. Teachers have an important role in influencing appropriate behavioral responses within appropriate environments.